Hello viewers. Are you looking for the best female urination devices 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best female urination devices 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. 1PC Women Girl Urinal Outdoor Travel Camping Female Urinal Soft Silicone Urination Device Stand Up and Lady Mobile Toilet. Introducing the Women Girl Urinal, an innovative solution for outdoor adventures and travel. Crafted from soft silicone, this urination device allows women to stand up and pee comfortably, offering convenience and hygiene wherever you go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or navigating a crowded festival, this mobile toilet enables you to answer nature's call discreetly and efficiently. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your bag or pocket, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected pit stops. Say goodbye to awkward squatting or searching for secluded spots. With the Women Girl Urinal, you can experience the freedom of standing while relieving yourself outdoors. Embrace the convenience and practicality of this essential travel companion, designed to empower women to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort or dignity. Number 2. 750 ml Adult Urinal Portable Male-Female Outdoor Camping Mini Toilet Travel Urinal High-Quality Emergency Car Toilet Pee Bottle. Introducing the 750 ml Adult Urinal, your portable solution for outdoor adventures and travel emergencies. Designed for both men and women, this compact toilet ensures convenience wherever you go. Crafted with high-quality materials, it offers durability and reliability. Ideal for camping trips, road journeys, or any situation requiring a discreet restroom option. Its 750 ml capacity caters to extended use without hassle. Say goodbye to discomfort with this efficient pee bottle. Stay prepared for any situation with the Adult Urinal, your trusted companion for on-the-go relief. Number 3. Lewis N. Clark EllaPee Female Urination Device. The Lewis N. Clark EllaPee Female Urination Device offers discreet, convenient relief for women on the go. Crafted with medical-grade silicone, it provides a hygienic solution for public restrooms, outdoor activities, or travel. Its compact design ensures easy portability, fitting discreetly into pockets or purses. The EllaPee allows women to stand and urinate, reducing the need to sit on unsanitary toilets or squat uncomfortably. Whether camping, hiking, or attending festivals, this device offers peace of mind and enhances the overall outdoor experience. Its spill-proof design and easy-to-clean surface make it practical for frequent use. With the EllaPee, women can confidently navigate any restroom situation, maintaining comfort and hygiene wherever they go. Number 4. pStyle Fuchsia with Metallic Flecks. Unveil your unique style with Fuchsia adorned with metallic flecks, a vibrant blend that electrifies any space. This bold color choice injects energy into your decor, creating a mesmerizing focal point. Whether adorning walls, furniture, or accessories, Fuchsia with metallic flecks adds depth and dimension, catching the light to deliver a stunning visual impact. Embrace its versatility by incorporating it into contemporary, eclectic, or even minimalist designs, instantly elevating the ambience with its daring presence. Perfect for those who dare to be different, this striking hue infuses a sense of excitement and sophistication into any environment. Elevate your interior design game and make a statement that resonates with your vibrant personality. Number 5. Female-Male Portable Plastic Mobile Toilet Car Travel Camping Hiking Journey Urinal Long Distances Travel Outdoor Supplies. Introducing the perfect solution for outdoor adventures. Our portable plastic mobile toilet urinal is a must-have for both female and male travelers. Whether you're camping, hiking, or embarking on a long-distance journey, this convenient urinal ensures comfort and hygiene on the go. Its compact design makes it ideal for car travel, fitting seamlessly into any vehicle. Crafted from durable plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy, guaranteeing reliability wherever your outdoor escapades take you. Say goodbye to inconvenient restroom stops and hello to hassle-free travels with our portable urinal. Don't let nature's call interrupt your exploration. Grab yours today and make every outdoor experience a comfortable one.